Hi, I'm Kyocera with Boston Document Systems. Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about the Kyocera TASKalfa 4 series devices. Let's talk about finishing. Most copiers can have an additional piece added to them to do finishing on your documents, such as stapling, punching, and booklets. The most common finishing option is a single staple to the top left-hand corner. And that function is available right on your quick copy screen, the little quick options that appear right when you open the copy function on the device. I've loaded my documents, I'm selecting staple, and I'm choosing one staple top to the left. I hit my start function and it will come out. The output is your stapled document with a single staple in the corner. This is great for just regular business documents, and this is available in your print driver as well. The easiest way to begin finishing is to select your copy function on the screen and then tell it the documents that you're putting in. For this particular job, I'm going to pretend like my document is a single-sided copy going to a booklet. I'm going to load my pages into the document feeder, and then I'm going to start selecting the options. For a layout, I'm going to choose booklet. I'm going to tell it that I have one-sided pages, and then I'm going to tell it how I want it bound. I'm going to do it to the left, meaning I'm going to read my document from left to right. I'm going to select my staple function, and I'm going to choose saddle stitch for that booklet finishing right down the center. And then hit OK. Kyocera TASKalfa 4 series devices are some of the most sophisticated and incredible devices for all of your print needs.